Hello everyone, this video brings you the unpacking video of genuine PT3G VCI Piwis Tester 3 for Porsche. Firstly, let's take a look at what's in this case. This is a Panasonic laptop. The Panasonic laptop is not brand new, its model is Panasonic CFMs4. This is the diagnostic adapter PT3G VCI, which is the main unit. This is the base station for wireless connection. This is a USB cable, you can connect it with the main unit. This is the OBD cable. This is a USB cable. And this is a power adapter from the laptop. Finally, here is a manual to help you learn more. Now, we will turn on the computer and enter the software. Select the system you want to enter. If the Enter Account interface appears after opening the software, don't worry, just close it. In the next video, we will show the wireless connection mode of the original Piwis 3. For more information on genuine PT3G VCI Piwis Tester 3 for Porsche, please visit VXDAS.com. See you in the next video. If you like us, don't forget to subscribe and I like. Welcome to express your opinion in the comment area.